Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pin multiple locations on the Google Maps. Firstly you have to drop a pin, the first one, and here we have to tap save. For example, we can tap new list and search and create our new list. Here name, we can give it a description, mark it as a private or shared, and then tap create. Here we have the first thing saved, and now we can create our new pin. Let's move on from here. Here my maps, as you can see, bugged, don't worry. Let's create a new pin, for example here, and save, and here our list. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.